The computer world is on the absolute brink of a massive, historic disruption that will completely shatter how we think about personal technology. Right now, behind tightly closed doors, Apple is preparing a secret move that absolutely nobody is expecting. For over a decade, normal tech users, students, and budget-conscious buyers have begged Apple to build a truly cheap, accessible computer. But year after year, the tech giant stuck to the exact same formula, keeping their premium prices locked away behind a massive paywall. This forced everyday people to make a frustrating compromise. Either spend an entire fortune on a high-end machine or settle for a cheap, laggy Windows laptop made of flimsy plastic that starts freezing up after just a few months of use. But a massive wave of supply chain leaks has just turned the entire industry completely upside down. Sudden insider reports from major manufacturing plants have exposed a top-secret project known as the MacBook Neo, proving that Apple is finally ready to break its oldest rules to capture a brand new market. They want to deliver a shockingly affordable machine without losing that premium, high-end experience everyone expects from the brand. But this massive leak actually hides a much bigger reality that is making top tech executives at competing companies sweat. What if Apple takes this exact same ultra-budget mobile strategy and brings it over to the desktop world? Imagine a microscopic, ultra-powerful, colorful Mac desktop sitting right on your workspace. Imagine a machine that costs significantly less than a basic iPad, but runs a full, completely unrestricted desktop operating system. This viral concept is called the Mac Neo Desktop, and it has the direct potential to completely wipe out the budget PC market overnight. To understand how big of a deal this is, look at the current lineup. Right now, the cheapest desktop computer you can buy from Apple is the M4 Mac Mini, starting at around $599. The Mac Mini is an incredible value and a tiny powerhouse, but if you peel back that aluminum shell, you quickly realize why it costs that much to make. It features a heavy-duty, complex thermal system complete with a custom desktop-class cooling fan and a massive copper heatsink. It needs all that hardware because the M4 chip is a heavy desktop processor built for intensive professional workloads like multi-stream 4K editing and heavy coding. The Mac Neo Desktop completely flips this formula to save you a massive amount of cash. Instead of using a power-hungry desktop processor, Apple could use the exact same ultra-efficient mobile silicon rumored for the budget MacBook Neo. This mobile chip is built to run in tight, enclosed spaces on tiny battery supplies, meaning it generates almost zero heat even under heavy daily use. Because of this, the Mac Neo desktop would require absolutely no internal cooling fans, no heavy copper pipes, and zero moving parts. It would be a completely silent, solid block of machined aluminum. It would be so small that it wouldn't even look like a traditional computer, looking more like a super-thin Apple TV sitting elegantly on your desk. This groundbreaking shift is backed up by serious data moving through global manufacturing pipelines. New information regarding global supply chain movements has leaked via major financial outposts like Bloomberg, PNG. This critical data matches trusted internal target tracking from tech platforms like 9 to 5 Mac, PNG. Well-known consumer device specialists such as Mark Gurman, PNG have also shed light on how Apple plans to optimize its component pipeline to lower costs. According to reports matching analysis found on Bloomberg, PNG, Apple wants to extract the maximum efficiency out of its existing chip manufacturing family. Further confirmation from 9 to 5 Mac, PNG suggests that the initial manufacturing test runs are leveraging specific logic boards modeled directly after current iPhone internals. Even display network analysts like Rossiung, PNG have pointed to structural adjustments in component manufacturing that heavily favor a miniature modular chassis. Additional performance monitoring leaks from tech analysts like the 5 Crunner. PNG reveal that these mobile chips hold up surprisingly well under continuous desktop workloads without any sign of early thermal throttling. To see exactly how the visual identity fits into the current ecosystem, checking the right icon, PNG Asset Menu confirms that the desktop user interface is fully optimized for compact, low-power desktop hardware. Apple would undoubtedly turn this compact device into a stunning piece of modern art. Picture a beautifully sculpted chassis made entirely out of premium recycled aluminum that keeps that signature high-end, cold-to-the-touch feel that cheap plastic Windows towers can never replicate. Apple always loves using bold, expressive colors to separate its everyday consumer products from its industrial pro-level gear. Because of this, the Mac Neo desktop would likely ditch the boring standard silver and launch in a gorgeous lineup of vibrant colors, including deep midnight blue, elegant starlight, warm coral, and fresh mint green. This completely rewires the psychology of buying a desktop computer. Your PC is no longer a dusty, ugly plastic box hidden away underneath your desk. It becomes a stylish centerpiece that elevates your entire room. When it comes to raw performance, this tiny machine is an absolute beast for everyday tasks. The Mac Neo desktop would likely run on Apple's cutting-edge A18 Pro chip, which is the exact same processor powering the most expensive flagship iPhones on the market today. Skeptics might laugh at the idea of running a desktop computer on a smartphone processor, but Apple's mobile chips have been beating mid-range Intel and AMD laptop processors in straight performance tests for years. The A18 Pro is incredibly fast and draws barely any power from your wall outlet. More importantly, it features a massive, dedicated neural engine built specifically to handle Apple Intelligence locally. This means you get lightning-fast access to advanced AI writing tools, local photo generation, and a supercharged Siri running directly on your desk with zero server lag. While this machine isn't built for professional Hollywood video editors or intense 3D rendering, it offers way more power than 95% of normal users will ever need. Web browsing with dozens of tabs, streaming crisp 4K content, and managing school assignments would be completely flawless and smooth. To hit an ultra-low price point, Apple would make a few strategic smart cuts to the hardware. They would drop the expensive high-speed Thunderbolt ports and replace them with standard, reliable connections. We are looking at 2 or 3 standard USB-C ports, a built-in HDMI port, a gigabit Ethernet jack, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3. This straightforward layout is highly practical and incredibly cheap to manufacture. The possibilities for a completely silent, dirt-cheap desktop like this are endless. It instantly becomes the ultimate family computer for the living room or kitchen, completely secure against viruses and simple for kids to use. It easily doubles as the king of home theater PCs, letting you plug it directly into your TV for seamless media streaming and casual arcade gaming. It is even the perfect compact travel rig for business professionals. You can just throw this lightweight aluminum square into your backpack and connect it to any hotel room TV with an HDMI cable. Schools and businesses would also swarm to this product, allowing school districts to fill entire classrooms with premium lightning-fast Macs built to last a decade, rather than buying cheap, frustrating Chromebooks that fall apart after a single semester. The real reason this concept is completely blowing up online is the rumored price tag. By completely ditching the built-in display, the battery, the keyboard, and the trackpad, Apple strips the raw material costs down to the absolute bare minimum. Because Apple already manufactures millions of these A-series chips every single year, the cost per individual chip is incredibly low. Tech analysts strongly believe the Mac Neo desktop could launch at a jaw-dropping retail price of just $399, and with standard education discounts, it could drop to an unbelievable $299. Imagine getting a brand new, modern, blazing fast Mac for under $300. It would completely rewrite the rules of the tech industry overnight, creating an absolute living nightmare for both Microsoft and Google. Google has controlled schools for years with cheap Chromebooks, and Microsoft has held the budget corporate market with basic Windows towers, but those machines feel terrible to use, run incredibly slow, and have zero resale value. If a buyer can get a solid aluminum, premium Mac for the exact same low price, the choice is completely effortless. Apple would completely take over the budget market, hooking millions of young users into their ecosystem for life. In my honest opinion, the Mac Neo desktop is an absolute masterpiece of a concept. It creates the ultimate entry point for anyone who wants a completely reliable, beautiful, and premium computer without breaking the bank, perfectly bridging the gap between mobile efficiency and desktop power. Apple hasn't officially pulled the curtain back on this device yet, but all the technical puzzle pieces are completely ready, the supply chains are in place, and the designs are perfected. If Apple decides to launch this machine, it will easily be their most disruptive product ever made, finally making high-end computing truly affordable for every single person on Earth. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you buy a Mac Neo for $299?